If you want to play Fortnite or other supported games through Xbox Cloud Gaming and keep your progress synced, then you first need to link your Epic Games account properly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Epic Games to Xbox Cloud Gaming step by step in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open a browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the Epic Games website. You can search for Epic Games in Google or type in the official Epic Games address directly. Once the site loads, sign in to the Epic Games account you use for Fortnite or any other Epic-supported game. After you're signed in, look for your account settings. Usually, you'll want to click on your profile name in the top right corner, then go to Account. This will take you to your Epic account management page. Now, on the left side, find the section called Apps and Accounts. This is where Epic lets you connect different platforms and services to your profile. Click on that, and you should see a list of account options. From here, look for Xbox. Next to Xbox, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. This is where you'll sign in to the Microsoft account linked to your Xbox Cloud Gaming setup. Make sure you choose the correct Microsoft account, especially if you use more than one. Once you're signed in, review the permissions and confirm the connection. This step allows Epic Games and Microsoft to share the account link, which is what helps your game progress sync properly when you play through Xbox Cloud Gaming. After you confirm, the accounts will be linked. You should now be able to use your Epic Games profile with supported Xbox Cloud Gaming titles, including Fortnite, with your progress carried over where supported. If you don't see the connection right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in to make sure the link has been saved. It's also a good idea to double-check that you connected the correct Microsoft account, because that's the account Xbox Cloud Gaming will use. And that's it. Your Epic Games account is now connected to Xbox Cloud Gaming. Super simple, but really important if you want a smooth cross-platform gaming experience. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.